Welcome to CoinChanger's tutorial on exchanging Litecoin to your bank account instantly. With CoinChanger, you can effortlessly convert your Litecoin holdings into cash and have it deposited directly into your bank account without the need for registration. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this exchange hassle-free. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to CoinChanger's website. The user-friendly interface will welcome you. Locate the Litecoin to bank account exchange option. Next, enter the amount of Litecoin you intend to convert into cash. Ensure the accuracy of the amount entered to avoid any discrepancies. CoinChanger prioritizes security, making certain that your transaction is safe and reliable. Now, provide your bank account information. Make sure to double-check the details to ensure a smooth transfer of funds. CoinChanger takes privacy very seriously and employs advanced technologies to protect your information. Review the transaction details before proceeding to the next step. Once you are satisfied, initiate the exchange by clicking on the Exchange button. In a matter of seconds, your Litecoin will be converted into cash and promptly deposited into your bank account. It's as simple as that. Using CoinChanger guarantees a seamless and secure experience for exchanging Litecoin to your bank account. By eliminating the need for registration, we prioritize convenience while ensuring the utmost safety of your funds. Remember, CoinChanger offers competitive rates in real time, ensuring that you receive the best value for your Litecoin. And with no registration required, you can save time and focus on your financial goals. Join the ever-growing community of satisfied CoinChanger users who have successfully converted their Litecoin to cash and enjoyed the benefits of instant transfers to their bank accounts. Thank you for choosing CoinChanger, redefining the way we convert cryptocurrencies to cash. Experience the convenience of instant Litecoin to bank account exchanges today without the hassle of registration. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and we are always here to help you.